SB Squad, and welcome back to another video
with your boy Georgie
and your girl Victoria, back again doing another American candy video.
Yeah.
Before we start this video, we just want to give a massive shout out to the people who gave us this. And hey Victoria, SB Squad. I wanted to send my US snacks to the PO box, but Mum said no.
Hopefully this will help for part 2 of the US candy vlog. Love you, of heart to Mika. Ha, afeert.
What is ha? He said the smiley face was a ha.
Yeah, shout out Mika. Thank you for the US snack candy.
And we've had a lot of people comment since the first American candy video saying, what's your PO box? We'll send you real American candy, blah, 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 blah. So this was part 2. There can be a part 3, 4, 5 if you want. Yeah. Our PO box is down in the description below. The first American candy video we did was like, I don't know what was going on with that one. It's taken us so long to do these because we've just been moving and just really busy. Also because we've just moved into a new house, we actually have no milk. So we're gonna eat it plain. What do you want to do first?
So guys, yeah, that's what we said before. Yeah, we do the part 3, part 4. Yeah, if you guys send me more and more, so it doesn't matter, guys. So now we tried the rocky road. It's like a rocky road.
Show me the packet.
Yeah, see you guys, rocky road. Yeah. Handmade milk chocolate coated marshmallow with coated marshmallow with real graham cracker and cashew. So yeah, guys, if you tasted this before, yeah, you should know. So we didn't taste this before. I didn't taste this before. You didn't taste this before?
No.
Now we tried this is the first one. Look, guys. Ooh. Ooh. We do it half and half.
No, just use that one. I'll save this one for me. It's got marshmallows in it. Looks like with some nuts.
Yeah, it's nice. It's yummy.
I give that a 9 out of 10.
I rate that 8 out of 10.
So the next one that we've got here is Whopper's milkshake.
Whopper milkshake strawberry.
Sissy, this is mine. I'm doing this one.
Oh. So milkshake, I can give the milkshake in your house.
That's not how it goes. He's trying to say my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
My milkshake brings all the boys from the yard.
Probably not. Alright. So these are melted. It doesn't really smell like anything.
Just show the box.
Excuse me. Don't tell me, okay?
I'll tell you because you didn't.
This is my item.
Your item, but I tell you to show them.
Don't eat it without me.
It's like a
boss.
Yeah. It's like a bowl of a covered bowl.
Oh, they're like strawberry Maltesers.
Yummy.
I like these.
This one make me feel sick. It's so sweet. Leave it for my lunch tomorrow.
No. I give this one a 9 out of 10.
Give that 7 out of 10. The next one, we try this one. The
S'mores, Hershey S'mores. Crunches.
Hershey S'mores Crunches. Hershey S'mores Crunches. New Hershey S'more Crunches. Yeah, I never tasted this before, but yeah, good.
Can't you see there's a tear there already?
Tear bear already.
Not a tear bear, or see. Put it on here.
Look guys, it's like a
small
stone.
Oh. Mmm. Oh, it's so rich.
This one tastes nice.
Very rich. But I'm here for it.
Okay. Snack.
No, you didn't get any of these for snacks.
I rate that one 10 out of 10.
I rate this one a 7 out of 10.
No, that's nice. What do you mean?
Well, it's my opinion, Siaosi. The next one we're gonna try is cotton candy flavored snack balls. Summer in a bowl. So go ahead and have a bowl. So go ahead and have a bowl. So go ahead and have a bowl. Heck, have as many as you like.
Go ahead and have a bowl. And throw it down to the bowl.
I was expecting them to smell so beautiful. They're like those cheese balls, but like cotton candy balls. It's blue.
Blue ball. Go ahead and throw your ball.
Literally the exact same texture as those cheese balls, except slightly sweet.
Yeah, slightly sweet. It's nice. Slightly sweet.
I can still
Slowly sweet.
I can still taste some cheese in it.
Yeah, it's all there. I'll give it 6 out of 10.
I give it an 8 out of 10.
So make sure you drink more water if you eat some sweet thing.
Okay, we've only got a few left. Woo-hoo. Also, it's your turn to pick.
Now guys, we're gonna try the milk chocolate M&M snack mix with salty. M&M so milk chocolate and M&M so crispy candy.
Crispy.
Almond and
Crispy.
Crispy.
Okay, so we got one each. So
Yeah, that's what I said. Crispy.
should we just open one?
I'll open one.
And what about this one? My snack?
That's my snack.
No. We're opening yours.
That's my snack too.
Oh my gosh, do you know that they have tears on them for a reason, Aussie?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh my god, they look so weird. Wait, I'm trying to get some M&Ms as well. Look, they're like nuts with
M&M's.
ball thingies and M&Ms, crispy M&Ms.
They can't see it. What do you mean? Look, guys. It looks
Because you got
weird.
one
It
nose.
looks pear.
Okay, let's eat it together. Okay then.
Oh, that's nice.
They're like pretzel balls. Pretzel balls, salted almonds, crispy M&Ms, plain chocolate M&M. Very nice combo.
Very nice.
All of our subbies in America. If
Comment
you
down
eat
below if you
these.
get this.
Okay, so these are like Snickers, but they're flavored. So this one's salt and sweet. This one is a theory, so it's
Wimpy.
chili. It's called Wimpy.
Wimpy.
This one's indecisive. And this one's irritable, espresso, so coffee.
Let me show them.
Just show them.
Do you see it, guys? That's different. Let's see it. Oh.
So the first one we're trying is Wimpy, which is a chili one.
Chili one.
Ready? I'm scared. 3. Siaosi, can you wait for me?
What? Wait for you.
Oh my god, it's so spicy!
Really?
Can't you taste it on your tongue?
Can't feel any chili. Còn ngay phía ở ngay cái tuyến mèo đi đây là sẽ xì. Phải để cậu quên mua một phiếu cá cũng.
Salt and sweet.
Salt and sweet. Irritable.
Yep.
Irritable. This one is irritable.
Coffee. Espresso. I actually didn't know you could get different flavors of Snickers.
Me? I thought this one just called Snickers. But now, they're all different. Whippy. Wimpy.
Which one was your favorite, Aussie?
My favorite one is Wimpy.
Overall, I give Snickers 10 out of 10 because I love Snickers. But out of these three, my favorite would have been salty and sweet.
What about the middle one?
I don't like coffee. I don't drink coffee. I really want milk. We do have milk.
Where?
Yay!
So, we're gonna try the apple checks. So...
Never tried this before.
Never tried this before. Even someone, never. Oh, this looks like a cereal.
It is a cereal.
So, what's the difference?
What do you mean, what's the difference?
Look, it's a cereal. I tried this before.
Green
But now I tried this before. So now we try, guys. We try. Look.
Just like flavored Cheerios.
I don't know what cereal is.
It's American cereal.
Oh,
I rate a 7 out of 10.
yum.
I always see it in like American movies and I'm always like, I want to try that. And Lucky Charms. But honestly, it wasn't even all that. I think I would prefer Weet-Bix with honey and banana over that. I love Weet-Bix.
Yeah. When we do movies in America, yeah, I always eat this one. So yeah, this is Victoria's first time eat this one. When we have a movie with Rambo, and I rate this one 8 out of 10.
Okay, so the last snack that we have here is Junior Caramels. Stuffed caramels covered in milk chocolate.
Shout out to my friends, all my friends on Facebook, yeah. They say they want a shout out. So, Max, Nico, Yossi. Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're gonna try these now.
Where's mine? You too. What?
It's like a Tootsie Roll, chocolate coated.
It's not nice. See you guys. Junior caramel. What are you doing?
Eat it with that.
No, don't do that.
What? Here, let me try it. This is innovation.
Innovation, no.
No.
Vibration.
Thank you so much for making it this far to the video. We've come to the end of our American candy review. If you have more candy to send to us that you want us to review,
Yeah.
it doesn't need to be from America, it can be anywhere. It doesn't even need to be candy. If you have certain foods that you want us to review, comment them below or you can send them to our PO box just down here.
Down here.
And we will review them.
Yeah.
Also, massive shout out once again to
Mika, Aaron, and Dusty.
If you like this video, guys, you know the drill. Thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, comment down below.
Thumbs up.
And
hope you have a good week and enjoy your week, guys. Bye.
no. Hope you enjoy your week, guys.
Hope you enjoy your week, guys.